You only get like an hour and a half of fishing when you do this.
Wow, we're getting all the garbage fish. You gotta watch out for the tails on those. Wow.
For all you DIY guys, check this one out. This one's for you. But you gotta pay attention to the tides when you do this, because if you don't make the tide, you don't make the trip. We're heading down to a small town in Alaska called Ninilchik. Ninilchik's right on the Cook Inlet, and it has a little tiny river that fills up with water during the high tide. And if you're able to time it just right and your boat is just the right size, you can squeeze out of the boat launch on that river, shoot out, grab halibut real quick before the weather turns, and get back in safely. And that's the challenge of the day. Can we find the fish before the weather blows us off the water? I don't know. Stay tuned and find out. Let's go fishing.
Okay, we made it to the Ninilchik Harbor. The water's up, the boat is launched, and now we gotta jump on board. I already feel the wind picking up. So let's go see what we got. Hey, how's it going? Sweet. Thanks for the invite. Kent, Ryan Hall.
Ryan Hall,
Yeah.
Kent Halterman.
Good to meet you.
On the dock. That's pretty awesome to get to see that. And I used to run the crane on this dock right here too. We'd offload all the Russian fleet full of salmon right here.
When I woke up this morning, I did not think I'd be doing that. He tells me to get in the truck when he's already 20 minutes past my house. We're going! Okay, come on, man! Ready, Captain? Nope. Got a muddy inlet. Water's not bad yet. See how she goes. This guy. Back in the 90s and early 2000s, right, just a mile offshore was the rule for where the cannery had to go to dump all their gurry from the processing plant. So we'd come right out here and we'd dump all the totes of guts. Heading in. That's a 3-pound cannonball. I really don't need one that big. That's what I got. Send it down. Come in. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Oh yeah. Come on, take it, baby, take it. Should be right next to you, it looks like. You might need it, you might not need it. Is it halibut?
I think so. No, it's a dog.
Oh no. Dang it. Because if there's one of those, there's a bunch of those. Look at those green eyeballs, jeez. That's a spiny dogfish, and you can see right here.
Oh yeah.
Why they call it a spiny dogfish. That's like a talon right there poking out of its back. There's one right there, and then there's one right here.
Huh?
Oh, look at that green eye in there. Oh man, cool. Woo! Like fish on, there's a bite, there's a bite. Is he there? What is he? It is, it's an even bigger one. Dang, look at the size of that thing. Yeah. Look at that. Ooh. Whoa.
Perfect. Oh, yeah.
There we go. Look at that thing. Watch out for those spines on it. Wow. Dang. That's a big one. Look at that. Got some teeth in there. Yeah, that's a long one. We'll send him home. Oh yeah, there you go. That's what we're looking for. Look at him run out on you. Whoa, that could be a big halibut, but it's probably a skate like you're saying. Look at how far out that ran. My goodness. What is he? What is he? It is a skate. Wow, we're getting all the garbage fish. You gotta watch out for the tails on those. Whoa, a skate. It's like a stingray. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at that thing. It's got these spines on its tail though, huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna set it down and work on this thing. Look at that. It's got those little circles right there. Some people I hear, they punch those out and make scallops and eat that thing, huh?
Pass.
Right? Weird. Careful with that guy. Look at that thing. Oof. My goodness. That there. Kodiak custom jig. Shark Week. All that thing. This one's as big as the other one. Look at the spike on that thing's back. Jeez. Boom, can you imagine?
Yeah, catch that.
Ooh. Ooh. That's the way it goes though, right there. You jam out here on a questionable day. You can't make it as far as you want to the spot. The tide turns and then the wind picks up. Next thing you know, you gotta pull anchor, get off the water. There's the anchor. Like getting that back in the boat. All right, out here on the Cook Inlet, this place has the second highest tide change in the entire world. So when that tide changes and that water moves, you're gonna fight it like a river's current. And you don't wanna mess around out here with that windstorm blowing in and the rain coming in on top of it. We gotta get off the water, and that's what we're doing. But the other thing we're gonna fight is when we get into the river, we just lost water. So hopefully there's enough still in that mouth so we can get the boat up into the river. We got about a mile to run before we find out if we did this right or not. Otherwise, we're gonna end up having to put the boat on the beach and do something different to get it back. So let's go see if we made it in time. Look at that. Yeah, you already lost a couple feet. See how narrow that gets right there? There's like no water getting into the mouth of this river. And that's what you have to watch out for. Yeah, you're good. There's plenty. Oh, look at that. Yeah, she's dropping fast. Yeah, see the water was all the way up to the top of that.
We didn't see those sandbars.
No. See, on the way out here, those docks were in here still. All this turns to gravel bars and islands. It's only like a foot deep in here during low tide. Right now the river's up, so we're able to get all the way up there where the boat launch is at, which is what we got to do to get this boat back on the trailer. And that's all the time you get. You only get like an hour and a half of fishing when you do this. And sometimes you land right on the halibut. You get a bunch of halibut. Today, all we got was sharks, those spiny dogfish, and that big skate, just like a stingray. Nothing we want to be eating, although you could eat them. You could cook them up and eat them, but that's not what we were after. Almost like a little line up here waiting to get out of this though. Everyone's in a hurry because this river's dropping fast right now. This is the old Ninilchik village. This is an old fishing village. These old landings and docks that have been in here for a long time. And right up there's where you'd sit and look out and go, hey, the fish are in, let's go get them. That's pretty cool. Looks like there's plenty of water to get this done though, as long as these guys get out of the way fast enough. Tailpipe's underwater. There we go. We're on her. Up we go. We made it happen.
To meet you, man.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, you know what? We can say we did it. I've always wanted. I've heard him talk about it.
Okay, we'll see you
I
again.
just hope we get another chance to like
Yeah.
kill it instead.
Yeah, doing that right there is the way to do it, though. It's basically free. I mean, and then when you get on the halibut, you can't beat the trip.
Well, that trip actually was a success. We were able to get the boat in the water, get out to the fishing spot, get bait soaked, and make it back into that harbor, back onto the trailer without any issues. Now you do that same exact thing on any other given day, and you're gonna be bringing home cooler loads of halibut. So that's fishing for you, and you just gotta keep trying. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time.